Today I'm going to be building another low-cost, high-profit build. You don't need any expensive tools or equipment to build it, and I already sold 12 more of these today, which I'll be building in this video, and at the same time I'll also show you how to build them yourself. And I can't make these quick enough, so let's get started. So this is a 2x4. This one is 4 feet long. I have to build 12 of these, so what I'm going to do is cut out 4 12-inch pieces from this 2x4.
Go out and I can't be saved. Tides that I tried to swim against pulled me down upon my knees.
So now you can see I have 12 4-inch pieces, and I'm going to cut this out with the miter saw, but you can also use a jigsaw or a hand saw too.
Trouble that can't be named. The tiger's waiting to be tamed, singing.
Now what I'll do is I'll take the piece of wood and I'll just make an X on top of it.
Stops, closing walls and ticking clocks, gonna come back and take it.
And then this is the center of the wood right here. So I'll just mark it and then take it and flip it over. And I'll take it and mark it at the 3 and the 4th inch mark.
Opportunities, am I a part of the cure, or am I part of the
And then take your wood and flip it over again onto the side, and then take your tape measure and measure at the 1 inch and 3/4 of an inch mark, about right here, and this is the center. So now what I'll do is I'll drill a pilot hole right here and right here using a smaller drill bit, and I'll also drill a hole right here. And then once I'm done using the smaller drill bit, after I'm done using the smaller drill bit, I'll use the bigger 1/2 inch drill bit and drill the same holes. Make sure you drill the hole at about a 45-degree angle going into the wood. Now take your 1/2 inch drill bit and drill a 1/2 inch hole right here in the center of the wood. So drill another 1/2 inch hole right here at a 45-degree angle, and another 1/2 inch hole right here at a 45-degree angle, so they connect to the center hole right here. I have 11 more of these to do. I'll repeat this with the rest of them, and then when I'm done, I'll come back and show you what to do next. Also, I want to hear what your favorite woodworking projects are, so comment them below. So I drilled out all the holes for these. So since I'm done drilling all the holes, I'll just attach these lids right here with 2 screws, and then I'll drill a hole so the hole will connect to this hole right here, and you'll see why that matters when we're done building it. I'll repeat this process with the rest of them, and then once I'm done, I'll show you what to do next. And if you're liking this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe for more. So now that I'm done with that, I'll take some twine or string, and I'll just put about 3 or 4 feet of it around here. I'll wrap it around and tie it, so that way people have something to hang these with. Look at all this mess. So I'll just use some sandpaper to sand them down, and then I'll clean them off, and then they're done. Now what I'll do is I'll attach the glass jar to the lid right here, just screw it on. So basically carpenter bees are bees that can destroy fences and decks and houses and all kinds of stuff. So people buy these bee traps. The bees fly into the holes. The bees are attracted to the light at the bottom, so they crawl into the hole and then they get stuck in the jar. So these are bee traps for carpenter bees. They actually work really well, and they sell really good in the springtime when all the bees are out. So again, these are carpenter bee traps, not bumblebee traps. Bumblebees are the good kind of bees that people want. Carpenter bees destroy things like houses and siding and fences, so that's why they buy these traps. Also, I put a link to my shop in the description below if you want to check it out. I already sold dozens of these. They seem to do really well. So if you want to try building and selling them yourself, you can. And make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.